Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS textbook, page number 93 and chapter sharing our feelings. In the last offline classes we have already told that what is Braille and who uses this type of method. Braille is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see. It is called Braille. Okay, it is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised dots or points with a pointed tools. Okay, and same Rabi Bhaiya also use this type of process. Next, today we will learn that more about Braille script. Okay, so all of you open your EVS textbook, page number 93. Topic: let us learn about Braille. You have seen that in your book. Rabi Bhaiya reads special types of books. How are these books made and who first thought of these books? Let us find about it. See, this is the Braille script. Okay. So this is number A. So A, this is this type of process. Okay. And next number B. This is 2 raised dot. Okay. C, this is here. Okay. And D also 3 raised dot. Okay. So, first, Louis Braille belonged to France. One day, he was 3 years old. He was playing with his father's tools. Suddenly, a pointed tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyesight. Okay. Louis Braille, he belongs to France, and one day when he was playing some tools, and suddenly a pointed tool hurt his eyes, then he lost his eyesight. He had keen interest in studies also. He did not give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he found a way. Reading by touching and feeling. Okay, because he cannot see, and so he recognized or he understood different things in around our area by touching or feeling. This way of reading later come to be known as Braille script. Okay, in this type of a script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. Because these dots are raised, they can be read by running the fingers or touching the fingers. They can understand or they can read by running the fingers on them. The script is based on 6 points. The Braille script has undergone many changes these days, and this has made reading and writing simpler. Braille can now also be written using the computer. Okay, so this is the Braille method. Okay, so first one who discovered this Braille script, Louis Braille, belonged to a France, and who discovered a process of reading who cannot see. So this reading process is called Braille script. BRAILLE script, SCRIPT. Okay, Braille script. So Louis Braille belonged to a France, and one day when he was playing 3 years old, when he was 3 years old, and one day he was playing with his father's tools. Then suddenly a pointed tool hurt his eyes, and he lost his eyesight. And he had keen interest in studies. He did not give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he found a way reading by touching and feeling. This way of reading later come to be known as Braille script. Okay, Braille script. And in this type of script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. Because these dots are raised, they can be read by running fingers. The script is based on 6 points. These 6 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 points. Okay, see in your here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 points. And the Braille script has undergone